Okay, now in an image like this, we can do something under the HSL, which is split toning. Split toning is maybe not my favorite tool in Lightroom, but what this will allow me to do is it will allow me to go in and set a highlight primary color and a shadow primary color. You're gonna do a lot of this maybe for a more commercial job, maybe definitely like a wedding. You're gonna maybe do this to sort of like stay on trend with what's happening. So what I could do is I could sort of set my highlights to blue here, and so maybe I'll just pick this in here to do something dramatic. Oh, that's just terrible. Maybe like a red. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the saturation of that. I can then go into my shadows and maybe make that something like a green, gray. Again, drop the saturation of that. But what I'm going to be able to do then is I can sort of balance my highlights and my shadows. I could maybe go in, and if we know that highlights are warm, I could sort of take that and make it cold, drop the saturation of it, and then maybe make my highlights, or excuse me, my shadows, I'll go ahead and make those warm and then drop the saturation. And again, you can sort of play with this balance. You know, it's not the greatest tool in the world, but it's going to maybe allow you to sort of do some things, you know, give it a more color graded look, something that looks definitely outside of that neutral color correction that we're going for usually.